Welcome to season 2 of the Uncle Neff Show, episode 1. We are on our way to see Godzilla. It's a movie that Neff wanted to check out. Now, the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that I found a bunch of new fishing spots to go to. And I'm going to be taking this guy too. Last year he was 7, now he's 8. Looks a little bigger. Flex on him. Flex on him. No, you're not going to flex. I'm going to get Neff a reel. Get him a nice little spinning reel so he can catch some big fish too. I'm excited to show you what I found. I'm excited to see what he does out on the water. Well, not out on the water, but on the shore, because I told you I don't have a boat. Also, I found a nice little spot in Fayetteville, Manlius. It's an old rock quarry. Nice looking fish. About to get into that video right now. Let's go check out Godzilla. Hit subscribe, like the channel. Talk to y'all later. Peace. What up, everybody? So I am going to fish in an abandoned rock quarry in Fayetteville, Manlius. I pulled it up on Google Maps. Want to come check it out. Not sure if it's private property. I'll find all that information out later, but if you look on the map, there's 2 separate bodies of water. This one you can't get to, but I've seen some big fish. I'll look down there. Park back there. You walk the trail. Like I said, you can't get to that one. And I believe you cut through here somewhere. Found a nice little spot. Start off right here. I'm gonna use a speed tail, Z-Man speed tail. See what I get. Alright, so casting around in this little spot. Got a nice little rock bass. Alright. Yeah, so I switched it up. Went back to my male perch. Swim tail. Yeah, this is a nice one. I like that. Guess I'll keep fishing this. Move locations. Alright, let's see if we can catch something bigger. What up? The fish stopped biting. So I decided to come on the other side. First cast. Damn. Nice. Alright, I'm still looking for that big bass. Decided to come back on the other side, switch it up to my mini jig. And there he is. Caught this little dude. Nice. Colors on him. Not bad. Alright, I definitely got to get a GoPro or some type of device that holds my phone, because cast right back over there with the mini jig and this dude snatched it up. Nice little bass in this quarry. It's a nice place. Having a pretty good day. Getting bigger. Look at the colors on him. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Choked it. See that? Absolutely choked it. I need a GoPro. It's a nice sized fish. I mean, it's still little. I'm looking for the big one, so this is not bad. Mini jig. Alright. That's pretty dope. Explore a new location. A nice body of water. I don't know if you can see it behind me. I see some other people fishing the other side. I don't know how they got over there. One day I'll find out. I really don't feel like walking through any trails. I just did that with Tracy Lake. Finally found where that was. I don't think I'm gonna do another video for Tracy Lake. trail is loaded with ticks. You gotta gear up and put off on it. Damn near put a hazmat suit on to walk the trail. But I did catch a chain pickerel with a chatterbait. My first fish ever with a chatterbait. First fish with my chatterbait. Nice, pretty big chain pickerel. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for this video. Explored a new location in Fayetteville, Manlius. An old rock quarry. Nice fish. I'm pretty sure there's some bigger fish in here. I won't be back. So I caught some rock bass and largemouth bass. I would like to fish this other body of water, but there's no way I can. So with that being said, this is fun. Jax TV, I'm out. We're gonna do some comedy. Peace.